the steering still feels a bit crunchy, so I'm gonna try and take it easy today.
What are you doing, Kevin?
Changing spark plugs.
Why you want to go and do that, huh?
Because we don't have high quality fuel on this trip. And my engine started breaking up while I was out there last lap, and this is what the old plugs look like.
Oh yeah, that's no good. You gotta get me home safe. Change those out.
Paulo from AES, who does our tuning, says when in doubt, change them out. So that's what we're doing. I don't really have any doubts that those are fucked. Hello, we're here at Apple Valley Speedway for day two. We finished up what we needed to do on the car back at the house. It is very windy again. It's overcast. It's trying to snow. This isn't really what I was expecting for this California road trip, but here we are. So, gonna try and get some laps in today, and let's go.
Snowing, which I did not expect. So I bought a toque beanie for you Americans from my gas station for $4 American, so like $28 Canadian. We're at the track, so Kevin's gonna head out right away. Looks like it was crash cleared, and yeah, this will probably be the last you hear from me in this video. Okay, I just came in from my second session here at Apple Valley Speedway on day two. The track is dry now. The first session was like snow, complete utter skating rink. I was doing 360s. Ryan said it was hilarious because all you could hear is the engine. You couldn't hear any tires from anybody. It's an hour after that now, and it's sunny. The track's completely dry. I was pushing pretty hard, doing like a third gear clutch kick, faint entry. The last one I pushed a little too hard, I guess, and the front tire came off. So I'm going to try and get that seated again. And that's a wrap for, okay, one sec. What day is it? It's 2 in Honda, travel day 2 here. Push the, so today's day 6. Okay.
And that's a wrap for. No, I was just trying to wait for it to quiet down. And that's a wrap for day 6 here at Apple Valley Speedway. It was a very interesting day. The winds were here, the snow was here, the sun was here, the clouds were here, and we were here. And we had a great time. I got a lot of laps in today, more than yesterday. I felt more confident in the car today. Yeah, just had a lot of fun. I would really like to drive this track again. So now we are going to go spend the next 45 minutes driving down a corrugated gravel forest service road to get out of here. So that's not fun.